Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're ready to take cleaning off your to-do list forever, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the 5 best self-emptying robot vacuums and mops of 2025, all thoroughly tested to find the smartest, most powerful, and most convenient models for your home. From effortless self-emptying bins to advanced mopping tech, we've got the top picks that'll keep your floors spotless with minimal effort. On number 1 is the Eureka E20 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is a powerful smart cleaner designed to vacuum and mop floors with minimal intervention, featuring 8,000 pascal suction for deep debris pickup and a bagless self-emptying station with 45-day capacity that cuts down manual maintenance. It navigates efficiently using LiDAR plus AI obstacle avoidance and offers app control with scheduling and no-go zones for tailored cleaning routines. In real-world use, it does very well on hard floors and low/medium carpets, picking up dust, crumbs and pet hair, though its mopping is basic and best for daily upkeep rather than tough stains. The build feels solid and installation and use are intuitive, though the unit is a bit taller and heavier than some competitors, which can limit under-furniture reach. Pros: excellent suction and bagless auto-empty convenience, strong navigation, anti-hair tangling brush, and long runtime. Cons: higher price than basic models, mop function is modest, occasional mapping quirks, and needs Wi-Fi for full features. Compared with similar self-emptying models like Roborock's mid-tier options, Eureka's standout is its bagless station and stronger suction, though rivals may offer slightly better mopping or broader ecosystem support. Overall, it's a great value pick for busy households and pet owners who want powerful vacuuming with low maintenance, but less ideal if deep mopping is a priority. On number 2 is the Eureka J15 Pro Ultra is a high-end robot vacuum and mop with powerful 16,200 pascal suction and a self-emptying, self-washing, and hot air drying base station that largely automates maintenance. It uses LiDAR plus RGB camera navigation with AI obstacle avoidance and an extendable FlexArm mop design that cleans close to edges and baseboards. The FlexiRazor anti-tangle system cuts and clears hair from the main brush, helping pet owners avoid manual hair removal. In real-life cleaning, it handles dust, debris, and pet hair very well across hard floors and carpets, and the mop system with hot water washing keeps pads cleaner than most robots. The app offers robust control with scheduling, mop/water levels, mapping, and no-go zones. Pros: top-tier suction, extensive automation, emptying, mop wash/dry, good edge cleaning, eye navigation, and solid app features. Cons: the dock and robot are large and somewhat noisy during base operations, occasional navigation hiccups occur, and some users report reliability and support issues. Compared with other premium models like Roborock or Ecovac's high-end robots, the J15 Pro Ultra stands out for its full-cycle maintenance base and anti-tangle hair handling, but may lag slightly in refined obstacle avoidance and long-term reliability. Overall, it's a great choice for busy homes and pet owners seeking powerful suction and minimal intervention, though buyers sensitive to dependability or service quality should weigh those factors before purchasing. On number 3 is the Shark AV2501 AE Robot Vacuum is a smart, LiDAR-navigated robotic cleaner with a bagless self-emptying base that holds up to 60 days of debris and true HEPA filtration that traps 99.97% of dust and allergens, making it ideal for pet owners and allergy sufferers. It uses matrix clean navigation, 360 degrees LiDAR mapping, to methodically clean in grid patterns across carpets and hard floors with powerful suction. Real-world performance generally shows effective dirt, dust, and pet hair pickup and long 120-minute runtime with recharge and resume, though heavy debris loads can shorten interval between runs. The self-emptying base eliminates frequent bin emptying, and HEPA filtration is a standout for indoor air quality compared with many competitors. App control and voice assistant compatibility, Alexa/Google, makes scheduling and remote control easy, but some users report occasional mapping inconsistencies and app connectivity quirks. Build quality feels solid, though the base and robot are fairly large and the emptying cycle can be noisy for a few seconds. In comparison to rivals like iRobot or Roborock self-empty models, Shark's bagless HEPA base and strong pet hair performance are compelling, even if battery life or app polish may be slightly behind some high-end competitors. Pros: long unattended runtime, strong suction, true HEPA, methodical mapping, and 60-day self-emptying. Cons: app instability reports, occasional mapping hiccups, and sometimes bulky base footprint. Overall, it's a good value for busy homes and pet owners who want powerful cleaning with minimal maintenance, but tech-savvy users who demand flawless app experience might look at alternatives. On number 4 is the Ecovacs Debit N20E Plus is a smart robot vacuum and mop combo with powerful 10,000 pascals suction and a bagless self-emptying base that holds up to 45 days of debris, making it especially appealing for pet homes and high-traffic areas. It uses true mapping LiDAR navigation and rapid mapping to systematically clean while avoiding obstacles and climbing thresholds up to 20 mm. Its Zero Tangle 2.0 anti-tangle roller effectively lifts and untangles hair to reduce maintenance. Battery life is very strong, with up to 300 minutes runtime on a single charge, making it suitable for larger homes. App control with customizable schedules and Alexa/Google Assistant compatibility adds convenience, and the self-emptying base eliminates frequent bin handling. In real-life use, it generally captures dust, crumbs, and pet hair well on both hard floors and carpets, though the mopping function is basic and not as effective as higher-end vibrating or auto-lifting systems. Compared with competitors like Roborock or higher-tier Ecovacs models, its strengths are the extra-strong vacuum suction and anti-tangle design, but it lacks some premium mopping features and ultra-advanced obstacle avoidance. Pros: excellent suction and long runtime, bagless self-emptying, strong pet hair handling, and solid navigation. Cons: basic mopping, base takes up space, occasional app quirks reported by some users, and real-world mapping can vary. Overall, it's a good value choice for busy homes and pet owners who want hands-off cleaning with powerful suction and low maintenance, but serious mopping needs might call for a more premium model. On number 5 is the Shark PowerDetect Thermocharged NeverTouch Pro, RV2920XE, is an advanced robot vacuum plus mop combo that uses 360 degrees LiDAR navigation and multiple PowerDetect sensors to intelligently map your home and boost cleaning where floors are dirtier. It comes with a NeverTouch Pro base that self-empties debris for up to 60 days, refills clean water for 30 days and heats mop pads with 185° F water and 175° F air to wash and dry them after every clean, a standout in low-maintenance design. In everyday use, it vacuum cleans hard floors and carpets effectively, with automatic floor detection adjusting suction and dirt detect focusing power on soiled spots. NeverStuck Charge technology actively lifts over thresholds and obstacles, and Edge Detect helps push debris from corners into the cleaning path, useful for thorough edge cleaning. Its mop performs well for routine upkeep and avoids dragging wet pads across carpets by lifting automatically, but it isn't a substitute for deep manual scrubbing on tough stains. Pros: very low maintenance thanks to self-empty/refill/wash/dry base, strong everyday cleaning, smart navigation, and edge focus. Cons: the base is large and requires floor space. The app and controls are less polished with limited customization, and occasional navigation/connection quirks are reported by users. Compared to some competitors, it stands out in automation and hygienic mop pad care, but doesn't match ultra-premium models in suction power or mopping intensity. Overall, it's a great fit for busy homes, especially with pets and mostly hard floors, where hands-off cleaning is a priority, though tech-savvy users might want deeper app control. Would recommend for people who value convenience and minimal chores, but consider the footprint and app limits before buying.